Hi, thanks for stopping by Plant Life Journey. I'm going to talk about salad dressings. You know, a great salad is so much better if you have a homemade no oil dressing. Those of us in the whole food plant-based community or the raw community, we are just all over good salad dressings. So let's get into it. This delicious Japanese-inspired carrot ginger dressing was just added to our website, plantlifejourney.com. So you can get the recipe there. It has an orange, some rice vinegar, tamari, fresh ginger, miso, dates, pure maple syrup, a little bit of water, and of course grated carrots. And I love to use my food processor to cut my veggies. It just happens so much faster when you use the right tools in your kitchen. Kathy and I teach people at our whole food plant-based cooking and wellness retreats that making homemade salad dressings and sauces is really a fabulous way to be successful in this lifestyle. One little trick that I like to use in my kitchen is to have some notes near my seasonings or behind a cabinet door, behind a pantry door, some of my favorite dressings or sauces, just little recipes. So I'm just showing you, this is just a trick that I use, things I make all the time. I usually have a couple of dressings on hand, but when my friend called and said, I need to pay someone to make me some dressings, I said, you know what? I will just make extra for the both of us because I make them anyway. And this balsamic pear dressing is kind of like based on a 3-2-1-1 dressing we have at our retreats recipe book. The lemon tahini dressing is at our retreats. Everyone loves that dressing. That carrot ginger dressing that I just bagged up there. And then the Asian peanut dressing is so good. And it's so great if you get these little jars. And then when I go out to a restaurant, I know that I'm going to be having a quick grab, throw it in my purse, or sometimes I'll carry like a larger cooler bag. I am protecting my wellness by taking care of myself, and making these dressings or sauces are really a great thing to keep in mind. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Many blessings.